Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy homemade chicken stock. I have 6 chicken breasts here that I deboned and I use the meat for other recipes. Now you can use whatever part of the chicken you like. It doesn't have to be the breast. Just make sure that there is some amount of bone because that's where most of the flavor is. And here I have some celery, carrot, onion, garlic, fresh thyme, and scallion. So most persons will just throw in their vegetables without peeling them. I prefer to peel mine. It's just a personal preference. I have a little bit of salt here, just a little bit because I don't want it to be too salty. Just enough to give it some flavor. And I'm using this entire jug here of water, which is 2.5 liters. So in my large stock pot here, I'm going to add my chicken. And then pour in my water. Vegetables, and salt. So I'm going to cover and allow it to come to a boil on high heat and then reduce the flame and allow it to simmer. Once your stock has come to a boil, you want to skim off all these impurities that you see on the top. So now I'm going to reduce my flame to medium to medium low depending on your stove. And I'm going to leave this for a good 30 to 45 minutes uncovered for all that wonderful flavor to be extracted. Alright guys, so it has been 45 minutes and this is what our stock looks like. Now as you can see, the liquid has reduced by half and I need to strain all of this. So what I'm going to do is to leave it to cool for about an hour so it's much safer to handle. And there you have it, easy homemade chicken stock. Hope you found this video to be helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Join the family and help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Follow me on all my other socials which are linked down below. Thanks for watching and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.